Hi, hello, ho. I'd like to congratulate you for getting a 4.3 star rating for your product here, which is, uh, self-adhesive wallpaper. So I know how hard it is to get a product get noticed here in Amazon. So this is actually a job well done. And by the way, this is Mel. I'm a project associate here at Purple Piper Commerce, and I'm gonna do an ASIN review for your product here, and you can take advantage of all the informations that I'll provide in this video in order for you to increase your sales and of course your organic ranking. And yeah, let's start with what drives traffic into your listing, which are the keywords. Okay, so I actually pulled up your ASIN here on Cerebro, and right now it looks like you have 1,300 plus keywords that is ranking organically, and you have 344 paid keywords for your product in here. Now it's actually, we follow a golden rule when it comes to keyword distribution here, which is a uh, golden ratio of 1:2. So that means for every paid keyword, you should have two organic ranking keyword. Now I'm seeing that you are underspending your money in ads, which is most likely um, leaving money on the table. So I suggest you do more keyword research and pay Amazon to show your product for it, so you'll get more sales and traffic. And if you wanted to um, increase your organic ranking like super fast, I'd like you to take advantage of the keywords here on the word frequency. Make sure that all of them is stuffed into your listing, as these are the most relevant keywords for your product in here. Okay, so now we're gonna check the keywords that you are ranking for. Um, I'll just give you one good example in here. So since you're selling a self-adhesive wallpaper, should make sense that you should be ranking with the keyword phrase peel and stick wallpaper. Now, these keywords actually great since it has 200,000 plus search volume every month. So you can see that a lot of people is actually searching for this keyword phrase, and you have to make sure that you are organically ranking for it. However, you are in rank 200 plus, like you are deep in the product detail page for that certain keyword. Now you are ranking, but yeah, it's actually not, you know, really good because the customers will have to take a look at the first 271 products in order to find yours. Don't worry, um, you know, you can actually improve that by doing some keyword research, add as much keywords as possible into your listing, improve your product detail page, and all that stuff, and you should be able to, um, rank for this specific keyword. And just ensure that this specific keyword, like exact match, is into your listing, and maybe run some ads for it in order for you to push through into that keyword. Now let's try to check how much revenue this specific keyword generates. Okay, so it looks like just for this keyword, this certain keyword, each month it actually generates a total revenue of 865,000 each month. So I'm actually seeing a lot of market share and areas of improvement that we can take advantage of. And surely, once we do that, maybe you can get these kinds of revenue too. And yeah, I want to show you your competitors' product detail page as well, and show you some good examples on how they are able to achieve uh, you know high revenue. So it's not a competition. It's not that I'm competing your product to it. Just that we want to take their best practices. So currently you are actually earning $3,000 per month, and just for this specific ASIN, they are actually earning 37,000 per month. So that's a lot of gap right there. And oh, sorry about that. Um, One thing that I'm seeing here is that they are actually selling this for a competitive price. It's actually pretty cheap. You can work on the pricing too. It doesn't mean that you have to go near as low as $5 and all that stuff. But yeah, I can still work on it. Maybe do more market research. And as per their keyword, this is actually what I found out. So earlier I showed you that you are ranking with 1,300 keywords for organic and 300 per paid keywords. Now look at what they did here. They actually stopped a lot of keywords in this specific product. So they have 5,000 plus keyword right now and 2,000 in paid keywords. Although they did not meet that golden ratio of 1 to 2, but they're actually near into doing that stuff. And they're getting a lot of sales because they're running a lot of ads and they are ranking organically with a lot of keywords as well. So um, I'm sure you can do that as well. You can do a keyword gap analysis and find the top 10 competitors in your category and get their highly searched and most relevant keywords and add it into your listing too. And surely it could help. And as for your product detail page here for your product, um, you have a listing health corpse then. So good job on that. Your title exceeds 150 characters, so good job on doing that. And maybe you can add more infographics too, or show show some lifestyle image where your product is being used, like how they attach it to the wall, to some cabinets and all that stuff. Plus, a good job on having a video in here. And for your bullets in here, okay, good job on having all 5 bullets active on your product detail page. Just ensure they are at least 250 characters so you can stock more keywords in there that you can rank for. And yeah, you have A plus content, so that's great. All right. If you can add some brand story too for your product in here. So a brand story is where you showcase your brand. Is actually another banner above the product description. You can add carousels in there, showcase your top selling products and all that stuff. It's actually great. It helps keeps your customers distracted. Plus, you can stop more keywords in there, like at the back end. And speaking about back end keywords, I want to check your alt text for wallpaper. So see that? Do you see this one? The alt text per banner in here. So when you create an A plus content, you can actually add 100 character, keyword or keyword phrases in there. And I suggest you take advantage of it because it actually helps you rank for more keywords. But yeah, all in all, I think your product listing is good. So just take advantage of all the advice and strategies that I provided you in this video, and surely you'll get more edge in your category. And yeah, if actually you need help with any of those um, areas of improvements and suggestions that I provided, you can visit our website, which is purplepeppercomer.com. And yeah, you just have to click the Let's Talk button in here, fill this out, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I actually hope to see you in there. But yeah, this is Mel again from Purple Pepper Commerce. Hopefully you have a good one. Bye bye for now.